We're here in their adventures, and today we are boondocking in
a little lake in the middle of nowhere, like way off grid. So, yeah.
Yeah, we are just getting our stuff finished set up.
We do have the awning set up now and the canoe set up. So show them the view we have here. It's an amazing view.
Our view's wicked. There, we have our canoe right there.
So let's start things off actually. Now that we're all set up, let's make a little drink.
Yeah, we're gonna go have a drink. So please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And
we'll be right back.
Yeah. Yeah, let's make our apple drink. Let's take a few slices off here. Ugh. Slice, 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 slice. Yeah, let's do red too. I'm feeling kind of adventurous. Oh, that one slices much better. There we go. Oh, it's gonna be good.
Could you not find a bigger knife?
Well, I tried to find a bigger knife, but this is the biggest one I've found so far.
The other side.
Don't I?
Maybe you shouldn't be drinking.
Yeah, I know. I probably shouldn't. Yeah. Let's put some ice. Here. Just because that apple cut is so big. Ooh, apple, mango, passion fruit. That should be yummy. Should I just do one of these? JK, JK.
I don't think so.
Ooh. Wow, look at all the bubbles. Oh my god, this smells so good. Okay, let's do it now.
Okay, let's do a cheers. Cheers.
What?
Almost took out an eye with this thing.
We'll do like cheers.
What is that black thing floating right there?
Wow! Oh my god, there's this massive water snake.
Is it a water snake or what is it?
Oh, maybe it's a turtle.
It just ducked under.
No, it's a snake! Okay, let's get it.
Zoom in on him.
Oh my god. There he is.
And try and catch him.
Oh yeah.
Have him for catch and cook.
Yum! Some snake meat.
Can you zoom in enough?
Wow, yeah, I'm like super zoom. Oh my god, he's massive!
Yes.
Good idea to put it over there so it doesn't drip all out. Aww.
Ooh, the sun's shining down.
I do all the broccoli.
Yeah.
Oh, we got our dinner going. We got some chicken kebabs and lobster tails and our second try on our baked potatoes. We already tried it once and didn't work out too well for us.
We forgot to do lobster tails at first, but I guess we'll have them about an hour from now.
Yeah, it'll be a little snack later.
Oh well.
How is it?
Yum. Try it.
Oh.
Sorry.
Aww.
It's really good though. That's funny.
Can't believe our potatoes worked out.
Well, she did. I don't know what's going on here.
Is it hard?
Yeah, but I don't know why.
You may undo it.
It's like Christmas, Dad.
What?
It's like Christmas. Look at you so black. Okay, it's just not done.
Close though, eh?
Those two are.
You want the other wrap or not?
That's good.
Yum! Dinner's served.
I'm coming.
Come eat! Hurry before it gets cold.
Okay, I'm coming. That's why I put a little bit on here.
Yay! Oh!
We need a tie for that. Alright, let's eat.
I did that already like twice.
You got pepper?
Yeah, peppered and salted already.
Yum.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, you want sour cream for these? Like to dip it in?
Sure bet.
Wow. Oh my gosh. This chicken is so good.
Yeah, it's like a buffalo chicken or something.
Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Oh, nice. For the potato.
It was a nice night too.
Mmm. Oh my god, good job.
I think table a little bit high, but right now, but
Yeah, I'm feeling like I'm really
like babies.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. I'm trying to roll in. Oh my god. Well, it's like a magnet. Alright, let's see if we can get something here. That's insane.
What's it at right now?
116. Now it's back down to 110. 111. Back down to 110. Hella deep too. Oh, the sun's hitting it so nice. Well, we've given up on the fishing. Now we're gonna make a wicked cool fire. Ooh, it's chilly. I think it's getting around that time to put our jammies on. Ooh.
You brought jammies.
Yeah, I did. I'll be right back and go put them on. Like my jammies?
What is it, a lizard?
Yeah, full lizard.
Oh, they got little hands and everything?
Yeah, they're super comfy. You like it?
Oh, it's kind of funny looking, I gotta tell you.
Well, I got you a matching pair, so...
Same as that one?
Same as this one.
Awesome. Oh, sweet.
Well, now that we're all snuggled in,
These
we
are
can
cool.
put the hood up.
Oh, hands on them.
Yeah, we're full Liz.
These are extremely.
Full Lizzy. It's actually, it's a cool night, and we'll take you for a walk in a second. It's the harvest moon. So,
Really bright moon out.
yeah, let's go look at it.
Check that out.
Yeah.
Look at the nice fire we got going.
Oh, yeah. Super nice. Ooh, I almost took out on our guide wire. Wait up, Lizzie.
I'm like, who's Lizzie? I'm like, oh yeah.
Whew. These rocks are not made for walking.
The harvest moon.
Okay, look at that. Oh, it's so bright.
I have this incredible urge to start howling.
Yeah. We had this whole story going about how we're going to be harvested by the animals, but now we got ourselves freaked out.
Go back to the truck. Our little fire going.
Yeah. I think we're just going to sit by the fire for a bit and until bedtime. Maybe finish those lobster tails.
Yeah.
Yeah. And just chillax for a little bit. We'll see. Well, we're all comfy in our Lizzie pajamas. And we're ready to go to bed. So, I guess we'll see you in the morning.
A little baby snapping turtle.
Oh, he's so cute.
Is he ever tiny? We met his mom already.
Yeah.
Let's put him down here. I want your bass grab him or something.
I hope not. Hi, Snappy.
He's gonna chill.
He's looking around.
You're free. Be free.
He's like just born.
Hatched or whatever it is.
When do they hatch? August?
Yeah, I think so.
Go
About a
ahead.
month old.
Go to the. Maybe we should put him near the weeds. Oh, he's really giving it now.
This is where we got him, so he wanted to be here. Good. Water.
Go a little bit further. Someone's gonna get you. Come on. There he goes.
It's like a little sea turtle. Actually, yeah. Well, you'll figure it out. Oh, little Snappy.
Oh, he's so cute.
Born to be free. Although I gotta admit, I'm very tempted to bring him home and put him in the tank.
Yeah, he's just a bit too small. We'll come back next year for you.
I don't have to like bottle feed him or anything like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we're just waking up. And I think we're just going to start packing up and
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain for sure. We don't want to get caught. It's a really brutal road getting in here.
the clouds are dicey.
So yeah,
Yeah.
I think we'll end it here. And
Yeah. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye.